Hello everyone, my name is Dr. Prachi Tyagi. I'm speaking from AB Physiotherapy Clinic, Noida, Sector 12. So our today's topic of discussion is back pain. So do you have any estimations on how many people globally suffer from back pain? Like any guesses? So if we talk about the current stats, then 40% of people, you understand, 40% of people globally are suffering from low back pain issues. And this is a high number. And if we talk about India, then an approximate of 51% of people in India are suffering from low back pain issues. So this is a major concern for the society at global level as well. And this is the main reason of disability as per the current index. So if we compare the counts of the people who are suffering from low back pain, then in 2020, there were 620 million people suffering from low back pain at global level. And these counts may increase to 850 million till 2050 for the cases of low back pain. So this is the major concern for the society at global level and at national level as well, because many people are suffering from low back pain, and the issues, the causes behind the low back pain is not a single thing. There are multiple factors which are responsible for this, and the sudden increase in number from 2020 to 2050 is not because of the factors only. It's because of the lifestyle changes, your sedentary lifestyle, your continuous working on laptops. There is zero physical activity. Like people avoid doing physical activity, people avoid playing sports, they avoid walking. Now currently the main tasks which people are involved in is their laptops and gaming and only the indoor games. But you need to do physical activity, you need to work out, hit the gym, you need to participate in various marathons which are going on. You need to do walking, you need to do running, you need to do sprinting. There are multiple things which you can do to be fit and healthy. So it's basically in your hands only. Like we can just advise you, we can just suggest you, at the end we can just provide you treatment, but at last it's in your hand. You need to be stay fit, you need to be stay healthy, you need to eat a proper diet. Don't totally depend on the fast food things, right? Because this only affects your body health. So eat healthy food, like you can eat fruits and multiple things. So back pain is more common than you think, and physiotherapy can timely make the difference in your lifestyle and the reality. Thank you.